welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trixie. In this video, I'm gonna give you a tour of one of the suites of Bellagio in Las Vegas. So we're in the rooms and Darren here is super nice assisting us. Thanks, Darren.
You're welcome, my pleasure. You guys are gonna have a great time at the Bellagio.
Yay.
Welcome.
It's my first time staying here and oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm excited to give you a tour. So we are on the 25th floor. This is the corner room, so it has 2 windows. Let me give you a tour. Okay, so we are in suite 25602. It's so beautiful, you guys. So there is a little hallway here with marble floors, paintings on the side, and of course this emergency information. There's nothing here, just the outlet and some switches. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's all well lit too. It's around 6:30, so sun's going down already. But let me show you. So you have your desk there. On the right side, you have these switches to open your curtains. And there we are. The sun's going down right now, so it's kind of perfect. And there were 2 curtains opening. So that one over there and this one. How gorgeous is this room? And this is a smaller suite too, compared to the other one, but it's beautiful. Okay, let me give you a tour. I'll show you the view later on. So on the left side here, you have your office table. And you have this one for the internet, some outlets. So you have that. And then, I don't know what's in here. Oh! How nice. It says Bellagio Las Vegas. Let me open it. Just using one hand, so bear with me. Yeah, a mask and this hand sanitizer. Oh, how cute is that? Hand sanitizer, phone, some magazine. And this is the living room. It's an L-shaped couch. I love that we have the corner room. I think for this floor, the corner rooms are the suites. Look how gorgeous that is. Excuse my bags. Okay, so here, their drawers are big. Oh, so you know how in regular rooms the safe is in the closet? This one's in a drawer. Another phone over there. I love how you can open the curtains from here, like right beside your bed. And then we have that lamp here. You have 4 pillows. You probably know it already from my past videos that I love it when it's spacious and when the view is really pretty. That's why I always get the top floors too. So over here is the smaller window. You have 2 chairs over here, a pretty lamp over here. You can do in-room dining with a QR code. I just realized that I didn't show you guys the TV area. So you have drawers here. What I love about this is that they have these outlets right here. It's so easy. Plug in HDMI and all those stuff. You have the ice there. They don't have a coffee machine, probably because of COVID. They have empty drawers here. I believe they have a fridge here. So it's a full bar. I like how this is already attached to the cabinet door. let's go to the bathroom. You guys already know that I like looking at bathrooms, and that's how I kind of see how a room is. Like when the bathroom is beautiful, I know that the room is beautiful too. Okay, entering. You see me there? Okay, where do we start? There's so much to see. Okay, here to the left side is your bathtub, and you have your own window here. The drapes can be put down or up. I don't know where the switch is. I have to look for it still. You have your towels over there and showers over here. So they have their soap and everything in there. Now the toilet. I love it when there's big doors like this and the toilet is separate. Look how big that is. And it goes in here. Here's the toilet, and it has a separate bidet. You have your phone there too. And now to this beautiful sink. You have a his and hers. What's cool about this is that, you see that gray part over there? It's a TV. There's a remote. I've seen some of these mirrors already, but never in a bathroom. I've seen it in my salon before. So you just use this, turn it on, powering on. How awesome is that? I mean, I guess you can watch TV while you're brushing your teeth. And it's like so clear too, which is pretty cool. So yeah, his and hers over here. And then you've got drawers over here. They supply you with the stuff you need. I want to show you the ceiling really quick. I like how they make it special. So look at that. There's that big door, and look over here behind the sink will be this dresser. And I love how it's all mirror. You have a chair here. This is a drawer. No, it's not. So this is perfect. And of course, here in the middle is the closet. Loving all the mirrors. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I think we already opened this earlier. So you have that stand for your luggage. So there's 2 pairs of slippers, 2 robes, extra pillow, your hangers, ironing board, and everything else. More hangers over there. Now let me show you the view. You've already seen the view here from the bathroom. Now we go outside. Look at this beautiful room. The best part is the view. So this is the view from the smaller window. So you just have the other hotels or other buildings, which I don't mind looking at. And I love how they're not super close to this building. You see the Bellagio sign. And then going back to the big one, which is our main view. Actually, it's 2 small ones, so it's 3 small windows actually. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. You see the strip from right here. I'm gonna show this to you too tomorrow morning. But you know what's even more awesome? Oh my gosh, the sun is setting, so it's perfect too. Their windows are a little bit dirty, but I don't mind because you still see this gorgeous view of the strip. And that's where the fountain show is, so we can watch it from here. So I believe their fountain shows are like every 15 minutes or something. But yeah, look at that. And you can view it from your bed because your bed is just right here. So this is really perfect. I'm so excited to wake up to this tomorrow. I'll definitely take a video when the show is on. I hope you enjoyed that little tour. I'm so thankful to be here. Just a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. We were just invited to stay here for a birthday celebration this weekend. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to take you along with me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Together, let's make happiness happen every day and live the lives we love. I'll see you on the next one.